tap friends, we are going to review the maxi forward step that we learned in class today, and then I'm going to go over part 4 of the dance in this video to try and keep it just shorter. I'm going to keep it simple to that and then run through the routine at the end. So I've kind of figured out my camera a little bit so you can see all of me, and I have colorful socks so you can see my feet. So the maxi forward, normally when you do it, there's hops and jumps. You're gonna jump, 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 right? Step, shuffle, jump, toe. Jump, shuffle, jump, toe. Or hop. I guess it's more like a hop, not a big jump. But I taught you to make it easier while we're still learning and gaining the strength to jump more. We're just gonna step. So you can step right, shuffle left, bum, 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 step, toe. There we go. Step right, shuffle left, step left, tap your right toe. So from behind, step, dun, 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 dun. Left, right, left, right, right, left. So left, right, left, yeah. So then we can go left, right, right, left. Try it again. Step left, shuffle right, step right, tap left. Step left, shuffle right, step right, tap left. Step left, shuffle right, step right, tap left. A little faster. Bum. Left, shuffle, step, tap. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum. Right? We can do that on both sides. So we can go left. That's what we're just doing. Right, shuffle, step, right. Right, shuffle, left, step left, tap right. Right, shuffle, left, step left, tap right. So we're going to do it really slow in our routine. And we're going to start with those grapevines, right? So we're going to step left, go behind right, step left, tap right. Side right, behind left, side right, tap right. Then we go back, grapevine again. Side, back, side, tap, step, shuffle, step, toe. Side, back, side, tap, step, shuffle, step, back, toe. Then grapevine, dun, 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 tap. Grapevine, dun, dun, and tap. Left shuffle, right shuffle, left shuffle, right shuffle. Then toe and back, toe and back, toe and back, toe and back. Dun, dun, back. Step, kick, step, kick, step, right toe in this nice bend formation, jazz hands out, shake them, 5, 6, 7, then you're going to punch right down and left up, and then switch it, left down and right up, then one more time, right down and left up, and then the next one you're going to bring your right arm to your hip, and your left arm to the air, and you're going to look up. That's the only part you can't see all of me up is my arm. Right, so that was all of part 4. And I did that really fast, but I feel like you guys had a good handle of it, other than maybe the maxi forward part was a little fast. So now I'm going to go through it again, doing our grapevine. I'll face away from you this time. So we start doing, because our left foot's free when we finish, because we start by a kick and a kick, so our left foot's free, so we go to the left, left, back, left, tap, right, back, right, tap. This one's gonna have the maxi forward, tap, step, shuffle, step, behind, right, behind, right, tap, step, shuffle, step, behind, grapevine here, normal, tap, right, behind, right, tap, left, shuffle, right, shuffle, left, shuffle, right, shuffle, left, forward, back, right, forward, back, left, forward, back, right, forward, back. Then left step, kick, right, right step, kick, left, left step, right foot forward, jazz hands. Then we're gonna punch right hand down, left hand up, left hand down, right hand up, right hand down, left hand up. Then right hand on hip, and left hand in the air and look up. Woo. Right. Okay. Let's do it one more time slowly, and then I'm gonna put the music on, just the ending music, and do it with the music. So I'm gonna face you. We start going to the left. So, left, back, left, tap, right, back, right, tap. This one will have a maxi forward step, shuffle, step, behind, walk, behind, tap, step, shuffle, step, behind, normal, grapevine, da, normal, grapevine, da, left, shuffle, right, shuffle, left, shuffle, right, shuffle, right, left, behind, right, behind, left, behind, right, behind, step, right foot forward, bent, jazz hands out, shake 'em, punch right, punch left, punch right, look up with your left arm on your hip. Woohoo! Okay, so that's it. I'm going to show you with the music so you can get an idea of how it flows in that rhythm. And I should have opened it earlier. But we walked through it really slowly. Was that 3 times? That was good. Here's our top class. Grapevine, tap, step, shuffle, step, behind, grapevine, tap, step, shuffle, behind, grapevine, tap, grapevine, tap, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hip, 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 step, kick, step, kick. But I was mirroring you that time. So when I did it facing front, you just mirror me, right? So if I move this leg, you move the leg that's symmetrical with it. So I'll do it one more time with music, just so you can dance the ending part with music. And then I will make an official practice video tomorrow night, probably. maybe from. So we're going from cross, ball change, cross, ball change, step, shuffle, up, down, up, cross, turn, walk, 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 walk. Step, pivot, right, left, forward, pivot, step, kick. Okay. Step, shuffle, step behind. Step, shuffle, step behind, grapevine. Grapevine. Step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, right, left, right, left, No. That gives you a little bit of an idea of it, but I will practice dancing it mirror for you so that you can watch it looking at me from the front and see like hands and stuff and practice those. But anyways, the idea is to have fun and get ready for a fun party next week. I've created a Facebook event, so if you want, go share it and spread that joy. But anyways, I'll see you guys next week.